Greetings everyone, I've returned to Disney California Adventure for a little Soarin' over California. And you know what? I'm hoping you'll join me. Let's roll that intro. All killer, no filler, baby! Soarin'! Oh, by the way, we are an A3, so we're not up super high, but we have got feet. This is the way it should be all year round. Ah, yeah! So good. Oh, so kind of warmed. Oh, it's so good. I forget, I have to keep filming because I just get sucked in. Watch this guy recover. He's fine, he's fine. I'm okay. It's beautiful. And wait for it. Boom. Look at those strong transitions. Just hard edits. You love to see it. We're doing this one from Michael Eisner, who supposedly is down here. See if you can catch the Mickey on the golf ball. Wait for it. Wait for it. And there it goes. Yeah. It's all citrus, baby. Oh. So good. Oh, I love it so. This part is also amazing. Wait for it. Oh, yeah. So cool. I love this ride. I love it so. Merry Christmas, everybody. Shout out to Damien from Living Dead Family. He's over here somewhere. I don't know where he is. We love you, Damien. Love Matterhorn. Matterhorn's always here. We love you, Matterhorn. Oh my gosh. So good. Smash Cut, we're over on Cars, Radio Switch Racers to be more specific. Soarin' over California was fantastic, but we're doing all killer, no filler today because it's raining, so filming inside. Filming inside. Wow! My gosh, Janet, you're such a good driver. Janet's here, by the way. There's Janet. Hi, Janet.
You're not racing.
Janet, oh no, it's the cops.
They found us.
They found us. Janet, get us out of here. Vader, give us, put in a good word for us, please, sir. Thank you. Oh, yeah, I love this part. It's so cozy in Radiator Springs. Oh, there's Frank. I'm a Frank thing. Whoa, hello. I love it. Wow. Oh, yeah.
We have a visitor.
Visitors on this planet.
Radiator Springs.
Why do I need to be fast?
We need to get some paint.
Ramon.
Let's go see Ramon. Hello, Ramon. Oh no, there's water inside too. Ah.
It's gonna get worse before it gets better. Oh my god! Okay, here we go. Oh boy, in my eyes. Janet, eyes on the road, 10 and 2. Or 9 and 3, I forget now. Here we go, oh my god! Woo! It's called memory making. Oh my gosh. I can't believe we're going to go out here. Come on, we got this! Go, 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 go! Oh! Just so close.
Or up that track like a real dirt.
Nice. We did it. We did it. Woo! Dang.
Like, why did I do my hair?
Yeah. I'm wondering why I did my hair too. Smash Cut now over at Monsters Inc. Mike and Sully to the rescue as the rain continues to come on down. Yes, again, I'm just afraid to get the camera out in the rain. So now we're at the Monstropolis City of Commerce, or at least that's the, I guess we're at the bus station. The City of Commerce are the commercials that play. I know things. I've been in this queue line before. Do you like these walls? Was there something hanging here for some time? I don't remember. Anyway, there it is. Transit Authority, MTA, baby. I love it. Payphones. Are they scare phones? I don't know. I don't know.
A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
some crazy camera work. I apologize.
Oh, goody bear.
Love Monstropolis. It's a 20-minute wait. You know, it might have been 15, 20-ish.
Dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. And it grabbed me
I like
with its
Harryhausen's like monster sushi place. Oh. I like the helicopters. Oh my goodness. Waiting for that roller coaster in Hollywood Studios. But I do like this ride. It's very quaint. Oh. Oh, it did smell like lemon. That was nice. That was very nice.
What are you looking at? Don't make me come in there. I'm watching you. Always watching.
Smash cut now over to Ariel's Undersea Adventure. Hi, Ariel. Let's go see Ursula. It's gonna be fun. Oh, there's Sebastian. Hi, Sebastian. Yep, I said it was coming, and it is coming. Ursula. There's Flotsam and Jetsam. All right, everybody, brace yourselves. This is where it always takes a little bit of a turn. Oh. Spoiler alert, it all ends well. Yep, that's right. A little different than the movie. But you know what? Same old, same old. You know, Triton made sure they made it back to the castle. That's nice. Hi guys. I feel like I have to wave at them. Hello. Well everybody, there's our day at DC, a rainy day, but now we're over at Disneyland just to kind of end the vlog. Janet, what was your favorite ride that we did?
All of them?
All of them. What a good answer. That's Soarin over California though.
Yes.
So
Okay,
good.
that one.
So amazing. I love it so much. And you know what else I love? You for watching. Thank you so much. We appreciate you very, very much. And yeah, let us know what your favorite ride was down in the comments below. But no, until next time, just remember to
Adapt.
and overcome. Bye-bye. Oh, by the way, everybody, you know we're in Disneyland right now, but here's where we're going in the next vlog. Over here to Walt Disney World. Yep, that's right. In the next vlogs, Walt Disney World, Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom, Hollywood Studios, Epcot, and much more. And I'm hoping you'll join me. But until then, just remember to adapt and overcome. Bye-bye.